How to delete a specific website on Safari. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. So today in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to delete a specific website from Safari history. Which means how we can remove just one specific website or two specific website history from Safari. For that, it's pretty simple. You need to click on setting of your phone from inside your iPhone setting. Scroll a bit down until you see the option called Safari. Once you see the option called Safari, click on it. And from inside Safari, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see the option called Advanced. Click on Advanced. And from over here at the top, you can see the option called Website Data. Click on Website Data and now all of your website history is gonna shown over here. Now if you want to delete just one specific history, at the top right corner you will see the edit button. First click on that. Then right beside the website link you will see the minus button. Click on the one which you want to remove and click on delete. And just like this you can delete specific website from history. Once it's done, click and done at the top right. I hope you understand how we guys can delete specific website from Safari history. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe to our channel Take It Simple. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.